Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury and high-performance motorhomes. And not just any motorhomes, but the most extravagant and jaw-dropping models from Rolls-Royce and Lamborghini for 2026. These aren't your average RVs. They're masterpieces on wheels that blend automotive artistry, first-class comfort, and thrilling performance. Let's begin with the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a stunning symbol of British elegance fused with modern luxury. Living. From the first glance, the exterior speaks the language of royalty. Every curve, line, and material reflects the signature Rolls-Royce DNA. The two-tone body, hand-painted pinstripes, and a bold yet graceful grille bring an aura of opulence. The classic spirit of ecstasy hood ornament, now illuminated, leads the way atop a carefully sculpted aerodynamic front. Chrome accents run alongside a body crafted from lightweight carbon aluminum composite, giving this motorhome a sleek yet solid presence. Sitting on massive 26-inch alloy wheels with customizable trims, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome doesn't just glide. It dominates the road like a palace on wheels. Step inside, and it's like entering a private jet fused with a luxury penthouse. The interior is a sanctuary of handcrafted excellence. The moment the automated doors open, you're welcomed by pure lamb's wool carpets, full-grain leather seating, and solid wood veneers sourced from the finest forests in the world. The ceiling is embroidered with a starlight effect that mimics a night sky, customizable to any constellation. There's a plush living lounge, a marble-clad kitchen, and even a private spa-style bathroom with gold-plated fixtures. The rear lounge transforms into a deluxe bedroom with a motorized king-sized bed, panoramic smart windows, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Advanced AI controls allow you to command everything with just your voice. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by an all-electric, dual-motor setup producing over 700 horsepower. With a range exceeding 400 miles and fast charging capabilities, this motorhome is both powerful and practical. The suspension system is adaptive, utilizing Rolls-Royce's magic carpet ride technology to ensure that even on the roughest terrains, passengers feel nothing but smoothness. The handling is impeccable for a vehicle of its size, and the silence inside the cabin, even at highway speeds, is surreal. Now, let's shift gears to the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a beast built not just for the road, but for the bold. This Italian powerhouse has taken the concept of a motorhome and infused it with raging bull DNA. The exterior is aggressively sculpted with sharp angles, massive air intakes, and aerodynamic vents that scream speed. It's built with carbon fiber-reinforced polymer panels, which keep it lightweight yet extremely durable. The front end features signature Y-shaped LED headlights, and the rear sports a race-inspired diffuser and quad exhaust tips. It rides on 27-inch forged wheels with Pirelli Performance tires, and it's offered in Lamborghini's iconic color palette, including Gallo Orion, Verde Mantis, and Nero Noctis. Inside, it's a hypercar-inspired cockpit reimagined for luxury. Touring. The dashboard is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, with jet fighter-style switches and a massive digital interface that controls everything from lighting to navigation to climate. The furniture is modular and sporty, carbon fiber. Reclining chairs, fold-out tech stations, and even a mini entertainment zone with a 100-inch OLED screen. The Lamborghini Motorhome doesn't do subtle. It delivers a bold, energetic ambience. It's made for those who want to live fast and loud, even when parked. Performance-wise, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is in a league of its own. It's powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine combined with electric motors, generating a mind-blowing 900 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds may sound insane for a motorhome, but Lamborghini proves it's possible. It features an all-wheel drive system, adaptive aerodynamics, and a race-tuned suspension setup. offering an experience that feels like piloting a rogue-going spacecraft. The sound of the engine alone will give you goosebumps, a raw mechanical symphony that's impossible to ignore. Both of these 2026 motorhomes redefine what luxury and performance mean on the road. Rolls-Royce gives you elegance, sophistication, and serenity, while Lamborghini delivers adrenaline, excitement, and unmatched flair. Whether you're cruising in quiet opulence or roaring down the highway with a V8 Symphony, these motorhomes promise an experience like no other. Thanks for watching Speed Zone.